Hey there, it's Lawso here, the assassin. Today I'm talking about optimizing your content for LLMs. Now, with all this talk about AI, I'm sure that many of us are a bit over, someone wanting to give us a demo on another AI application. The thing that is becoming quite apparent is that these large language models are going to be used for people to search for stuff. Now, they are getting a lot of their content from the same place, from the internet. So you would imagine that the results are going to be similar. Well, they're slightly different. If you go and do a Google search and then do the same search on Google Gemini, the results are a little different. Now, the people who are accidentally or have managed to work out how to optimize for these LLMs, the advantages are going to be obvious that they'll get more traffic. But the data to date shows that majority of the searches are still on Google, and that the AI tools are being used to mostly solve business problems, not do the same search that you would do on a search engine, and the dominant player being Google. The thing you can do to optimize your content for your website to cater for both is to get a little bit more detailed. So the large language models are looking for relevance. They're looking for silos of content. So more and more information about that subject, detailed information. So they want to see that thoroughness on the content. And they also want to see referencing to other stuff that you have on the content, so that you've got your internal links within your website are very important for doing that. But also you should reference any third-party information sources that helped you derive that information. So if you can link to a white paper or a research report or something else, put that link on your website so that the bots that go and collect this information for the AI tools can adjust their system to suit your content, or your content can then become relevant within that large language model. So there's one thing about this is, by optimizing for the LLMs, you'll actually improve the SEO capability of your website, because these things are important for SEO as well. So it's not going to hurt to do both. So for people who think that just cutting down content and just doing bullet points and not providing detail is the way to go for SEO, that's never been the case. It's even more so important to provide that detail now to cater for the LLMs. So if you're unsure about what to do with all this sort of stuff, as always, reach out and we can have a chat and see how we can assist you. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.